What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video on how to buy the mobile coin, also known as Helium Mobile Token, on Coinbase. So for the first step we will need to log into our Coinbase account, and if you don't have one yet, sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. After that we will go to the search bar right on top, and there we will type in mobile, and then you will find the Helium Mobile Token. So select it, and now you will be redirected to the token page, and as you can see, here is the current market price. There is also a price chart and some time frames to select to see what this coin has done in the past. Now, if you would like to read some information, that is down below, and if you scroll a little bit more down, then you will find the coin stats, like the market cap, volume, circulating supply, and of course the all-time high. Now, if we would like to buy this coin, then we need to go back up, and on the right top you will find the trading options. So if we would like to buy this coin, then of course we will select the buy option, and after that the one-time order is on default selected. If you would like to purchase this coin a lot more often, then you can select it and select the recurring buy option. This will set up automatic purchases on a daily, weekly or monthly base. For now we will leave it on a one-time order. This is a single order for the current market price. So now we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this order. Let's say 1000 euros. And now here you will see how much coins we will receive in return. After that, select of course your payment method by clicking on it, and now you can select the preferred payment method. If the preferred payment method is not available in this list, then you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Once you have done that, select the payment method and always double check the coin you have selected to buy. So click on review order, and this will open the order review, and as you can see, we are paying a transaction fee towards Coinbase. This is a fee for using their platform. So if you would like to save yourself a bit of money, then you can use the Coinbase One subscription. As you can see, on one order alone, we can already save up to 38 euros. It is free for 7 days, so you can try it out. And after those 7 days, you will pay around 25 euros a month. But on one order alone, you are already in profit. Now, if you decide to buy these coins, click on the buy now button, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!